Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Over the years, I've made quite a few videos on making a sprocket or a cog, but I've never done it this way. I'm going to take the polygon tool, set on 20-sided. I'm going to hold down the control button, and then I'm going to hit P. The control button made it perfect. This node is in the middle. If I grab it and hold down the control button, it's going to come straight down. You can see I'm moving my mouse, but I can't make it go anywhere but straight down. Now we're gonna just ballpark this, and we want a ellipse. Well, really about right there is fine. So we're gonna Control D and make a duplicate, and then we're gonna hold down the Shift key and have it grow outwardly. Now I've got my nudge factor set on 20 inches. I'm gonna select those two circles, and I'm gonna smart fill them. That's gonna create a new object. And now I can do this. I can select all two objects, and I can go intersect. And there it is right there, my cog, kind of. I need to put that inside part back. And to make it work perfect, because that's right on the line, I'm going to hold down my Shift key with a two-sided arrow and make it just a little bit bigger. And then we can weld it. And look at that. Now I'm going to put it in the center of the page with P. I'm going to make another ellipse. Now this isn't something you'd make for a real, this is more like just a graphic of a sprocket. And it's a really good one because the angles are pretty neat. And there you have a sprocket. And you can make that whole size any size you want. Anyway, I hope that was a little bit helpful, and thank you for watching.